Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, the pencil icon in the right upper corner, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact to edit it. So right now we have to simply tap on either add picture or this circle, and we will be transferred to some options from which we can choose. So let's start with the illustrations, and they are kind of pre-installed. I believe you need the internet connection to use them, so you can pick something from those options, and to be honest, they're really cool and pretty. We've got also Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and device photos, and here it is also divided into two options, the gallery again or the camera. So here you can basically open the camera app, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to quickly catch a photo of him or her. But I will pick something from the gallery, obviously, and simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And for some reason we've got some kind of error again. Why? Maybe screenshot. Okay, so for example we can pick the screenshot for some reason. Okay, let me quickly turn off the whole thing and let me do it again, because I have no idea why it does not work. And again, okay, no worries, we'll just pick the screenshot, that's okay. So basically, after picking the photo, you will be able to change the position of it. You can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically here we've got the highlighted circle, which is not really that visible in the case of the black screenshot, but I hope that you can see it at least a little bit, or you trust me enough. So as I said, here we've got the circle, and this area is responsible for what we will see after saving it. So if you're happy with your choice, something like that, just tap on choose, and as you can see, the photo will immediately appear in the circle. So if you're happy, just tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the photo has been applied to the contact. You will be also able to see it on the contact list. However, you will have to probably refresh it, so turn the dialer or contacts completely and turn them on, so the device will have a time to replace the photo, and of course you will be able to see it whilst incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.